In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on pre-market price label on TradingView. If you follow along, you'll have a clear label on your chart that shows the pre-market price, which is handy for understanding how a stock is moving outside regular trading hours. This is especially useful around earnings, news, or before the opening bell when price action can set the tone for the day. First, open charts in TradingView. That simply means you should be on a live chart of any symbol you want to analyze. If you are on the home page, click through to a chart so you can see candles and the price scale. You don't need to change your symbol or time frame for this. Any chart view will work. Next, move your cursor to the price scale, which is the y-axis on the right side of the chart where the prices are listed. This is the vertical area with numbers that align with the current price. The label we're turning on will live here. So that's where you'll interact. Right-click directly on that price scale. A small menu will appear with options related to how prices and labels are displayed. From this menu, click on Labels. This opens the label options for the price scale, and you'll see several choices that control what kinds of information appear alongside the scale. Inside the Labels section, look for the list group of options. In that list, find and select Pre-Post Market Price Label. When you click it, you'll see a check mark appear next to that option, which indicates it's now active. That check mark is your confirmation that the label has been turned on. Once activated, the pre-market or post-market price label will appear on your price scale as a small tag that marks the most recent extended hours price. If the market is currently in regular hours, you'll still see the most recent pre-post market reference when it's available for that symbol. If you are not seeing it, keep in mind that not all instruments have extended trading sessions and availability can vary by exchange and data plan. Also, the label only reflects data that exists for the symbol you are viewing. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.